What's going on? Another episode of Kyle TV here. We're coming at you with the overall cryptocurrency market cap. And oh my gosh, look at the market cap. It is literally down over $100 billion. It's insane. Insane, insane, insane. Bitcoin dominance was still about 44%. We're about the same. But man, that market cap got crushed in the past day. Um, it's an overall, health indicator on the overall cryptocurrency market. Now, obviously I would be suspecting some market manipulation going on. It's healthy, obviously, to have corrections like this, but it does seem a little fishy to see, this market cap going up and going down, so volatile. The volatility of it is just insane. So, and here's the overall Bitcoin dominance chart here. As you can see, it fell off pretty significantly back earlier this year, and that's back up, and now it's back down. So, but the rise of altcoins has just really taken off, and that's kind of why. And as you can see, this is a total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So we'll just go probably a 3-month chart, and you can kind of see that. So this is excluding Bitcoin. So this is kind of a cool chart to actually take notice of. We'll take notice, or we'll look at this chart, the entire total market cap. As you can see here, about the same trend, just lower billion-dollar amounts. So the altcoin market reached as high as $359 billion, and then with Bitcoin, $638 billion. Now, fast forward a few days later, and here we are at $489 billion, as low as $422 billion. So a lot of money flowing in and out of cryptocurrency, a lot of money flowing out of it. Now, should you be scared? Should you be worried about this? I would say no, because look at the beginning of the year. If we just go back to, I can't even. Let's go back to, the beginning of this year. So it was at like basically $18 billion market cap. And fast forward till now, you see this huge increase in money. Yeah, that looks a little insane right here, this huge pullback, because we haven't seen really a big pullback like that before. It's just been growing with little tiny market corrections and nothing big in there. In my opinion, I think that's a lot. It's healthy. I would have liked to see way more correction along the way, but this is what have you here. That's just the overall what had happened and transpired here in cryptocurrency. This growth was just too unsustainable to hold its legs up like that. Yeah, you could scream market manipulation. I can't even say it. Market manipulation. But yeah, so in other news, Coinbase getting roasted over their degraded services. Let's see if we can pull up some. Let's see if we can pull up some articles just off Googling, like the first, right here. Oh, that's a tweet from Coinbase. But anyways, says buying and sales temporarily disabled amid price rout. So, it's just pretty insane. It says here investigating all buys and sells has been temporarily disabled, working on a fix, and apologize for the inconvenience. Now they do this like time and time again. You go to Coinbase and you're like, oh man, Bitcoin's down. I can go buy some Bitcoin and it's gonna be pretty great. Down here in this dip, get it as cheap as 10K. I think is as low as it fell on an actual real chart. So when you hop over to Coinbase and you're ready to transfer that fiat to Bitcoin because it's so cheap and you're excited, well, their service is degraded and you can't. This has happened more than one time. This has happened over and over and over. And not only that, you look at Bitcoin Cash's chart. If you pull up a real chart, on a exchange, you would see that, there was like right when they released Bitcoin Cash trading, that the it just skyrocketed out of nowhere right before they released. So it looked very sketchy, and there's a lot going on with Coinbase. Overall, it's not illegal yet to do insider trading, but they're going to investigate it anyways. So do I think insider trading's real right now? Yes, I do. But if you're able to get into these altcoin positions, even just a few weeks ago, you would be all right. And I do recommend, I'm not a financial advisor, so I have to have that disclaimer. But so this is not financial investing advice. This is my entertainment opinion, entertainment value, or what have you. So, if you're able to get in these altcoin positions just a few weeks ago, even just like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, you would be sitting really great right now, because all these altcoins had a significant run. Cardano, which I made videos about, 2 cents. Ripple, Stellar. I think Stellar was at 7 cents or something crazy like that. Tron was like below a cent. Verge was like 2 cents or something like that, or even below that. I've been watching Verge for a long time. So overall the market is you see a sea of red. Randomly, this project has just ripped. I don't even know. Like, I don't know the significance of this coin. I went to their website. It looks pretty ugly. But maybe there's something I don't know. Maybe you guys can comment below and let me know. But that's like literally the only coin other than Chainlink. Chainlink wasn't even green earlier today. I have no idea what Chainlink is. Just looks like connects smart contracts to your apps and data. So it kind of looks like a third-party integration, or integration layer. It looks like to do these kinds of transactions. It looks like kind of like atomic swaps and between information and cryptocurrency. So that actually looks pretty interesting. So I may have to do a video on that, but it's sitting at, let's take a look at today and see where, it got below 31 cents and now it's up to 43. So it's just on a 24-hour 4% high. So let's take a look at the past hour of, it looks like, there's been a rebound for sure. I unfortunately got to miss the bulk and the meat and potatoes of the entire move. And I really, I was sitting in my pajamas early this morning and I was like thinking about it. And I was like, I should probably start get on my exchange and start trading, because the price is so low, as 10K, and get into some of these altcoins that were on sale, but they rebounded. I still got in a good position on some of these coins, but I missed the bulk and potatoes of it. Even just 2 minutes ago, it looks like the market cap's going back up as we speak. So we'll continue to monitor that, but there you have it, guys. So I just want to update you on the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Should you sell your coins? Should you be freaking out right now? No, I'm going to say don't freak out. I'm going to say, this is, especially if you're new to Bitcoin, this is not something that's out of the ordinary. We've had corrections like this before. The whole flash crash right here. And here. So you want to see market correction. This is only a 1 month chart, but if we pulled it back to like an entire year, you'd see corrections and dips in here, and everything like that. So that is, obviously this is directly correlated to that market cap. And maybe after Christmas and the holidays, when things settle down, people start getting their tax returns, I think everything is going to rebound. And right now this could be a great time to get into some of these altcoins before the market rebounds again. Goldman Sachs is setting up their trading desk. Let's see, Goldman Sachs Bitcoin. I bet it'll pull it up. Yeah, Goldman Sachs to set up cryptocurrency trading desk. So they're getting into they're gonna get into cryptocurrency as soon as they can. And even Mark Navagratz, whatever, however you say his last name, he used to be like the a big hedge fund manager. Let's see if we can type his name. I bet it'll find it for me. Fortress investment group, and he's starting his own hedge fund for cryptocurrencies and to, you know, basically buy them and everything like that. You know, even the TechCrunch owner is, you know, bought a bunch of Ripple, paying his employees. He bought his own like Ripple fund or something like that, and he's going to pay like all his employees in Ripple. So, you know, look out for Ripple too. So I think it's super overpriced in my opinion, but I know there's a lot of big fans of Ripple out there. You know, to me, it's hard to get past that max supply and that total supply right there. I mean, you have 38 billion floating around, and you still have, you know, almost, you know, 60 billion more just ready to be released, and that's just so much supply. But we'll see. So that being said, guys, I will see you guys at the blockchain. You know, make sure you do your diversing, even split your portfolio up between different exchanges. You know, God forbid one of those exchanges gets hacked once your portfolio gets large enough. So that being said, guys, I will see you at the blockchain and in the next video. Peace. To the moon, Bitcoin all the way. Because what you want is what you need.